but I don't want to react to it on a video before seeing it in real life. Look at that. That is a tiny box. Dang, we've got a lot of paperwork in here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That looks so cool. We pull on it, it peels off. We can pull it out of the packaging. That's so cool. It does, I cannot believe I'm holding this. So it says it works on an iPad, and this is an iPad Pro. So I'm holding it near. We're not getting anything. Hold near device, on-screen instructions. Let's get to find my, what is this? Oh, you have to pull that off and then it comes up with this. I need to update. So, while that works, I wanted to show this is the AirTag that I put together for my leaks video, and this is the actual AirTag. So I used white molding clay, and it's gotten dirty over time, but on my desk here it looked pretty good in the video. Probably my favorite comment on that video was, how did you get it so early? Size difference. This, oh, it's magnetic. Dang, look at that, it's magnetic. Let's not scratch it. The size of the whole AirTag is about the size of this little washer here. It's also a bit more rounded than I expected. I thought it would have more of a flat side. So it's been a little while since I unboxed the AirTag. It's got a few little scratches, and the back is just as scratched up as like AirPods would get. I really thought that the back would be like a rubber feeling to it, like a silicone case to it, but no, it's plastic, which means it's gonna scratch up as much as AirPods do. It's the same kind of material as that. I really like, if I lose something that has this attached, it's like Tile, but rather than people that use Tile, it's people that use iPhones, bigger community, and if someone with an iPhone or any phone finds this and it's not like with the person, they can go up to it, scan it, and an Android phone will pop up like a website where you can go and get all the information if someone has marked this as lost. And iPhones, you can go in and identify a lost item in the items tab of the Find My app, and you can identify a lost AirTag. So I think that's really cool. Also, I think you can't set this up for anyone else if they don't like unset it up on their phone. So like, it's hard for this to be stolen. If this is stolen, you can deactivate it by pushing down, turning, and taking the battery out. If you're gonna steal someone's bag, you can do that. So like, it's not steal proof, because if someone is able to find this and take it and just deactivate it, they can. So that may be an issue. I don't think that's that big of an issue. If you're worried about that, then just like put it in the inside of your bag. I want to say, people have been saying that if you just get the AirTag, it's useless. You gotta get a keychain, which is gonna double the price of the AirTag. But there are keychains on Amazon. You don't have to get the Apple keychain. All the people I've seen buy the AirTag have just gone with the Apple keychain, because who's gonna go and do the research? But you can get like a $5 keychain on Amazon, or you can glue this to something. It's got a flat back. You can just put some super glue, glue it. I can sew it into my bag. If I was gonna put it on my wallet, you can laugh all you want at me. I don't have an iPhone that this goes with, but I use this Apple Wallet, so it magnets there. But if I was to glue it, it would be extra Apple-y, and I'd never lose this wallet. You can slide it into your wallet. There's a plethora of ways that you can use it without a key ring. But if you're gonna put it on your keys, you buy the keyring. Of course, Apple wanted to make more money, so they made the keyring separate. Yeah, that's one of the reasons. But it also makes the AirTag more customizable. I can get just the AirTag for $30, or I can pay a little extra to put a keyring on it, and it can be the design that I want. I can get any keyring for it. People are saying you can get like a $30 keyring from Apple, or you can get a $400 keyring from Hermes. I don't think people realize that the Hermes AirTag is like, it's different from this. I mean, it works the same as the regular AirTag, but it says Hermes on it. Like they make Hermes AirTags. They come in their own keychains. So like, if you buy an AirTag and then you buy an Hermes keychain, you're gonna get a second AirTag with that. So I don't know who's buying a $400 AirTag, but it's a thing you could do if you want to show off how bougie you are. So anyway, I like the AirTag. I do notice that, of course, I need an iPhone. I need a U1 iPhone. I needed an iPhone 11 or an iPhone 12 for this to work like the way it should. So I got rid of my iPhone 11 and I've been using Android. So I'm gonna need to like get an iPhone again to use it properly, but I can use it with my iPad. And can I just say, I love how tiny this is. You can do sleight of, I know I'm doing it awful, but I've been doing this little thingy. I want to do magic with it. I want to do like close-up magic. So anyway, that's the AirTag. If you lose stuff and you use Apple devices, iPhone, iPad, MacBook, this is like the way to go. $30, pretty good deal. If you lose lots of stuff, get 4 of them for $100. That's like $25 each, and you could engrave them. I didn't, but you can get like an emoji on there. There's a set of emojis that you can choose from to put on there. You can put your initials. You can put up to 4 characters on there. Just nothing obscene. I like the AirTag. I think that it's gonna be a hit product, and I am glad that I bought 5 of them. That's about all I have for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below your thoughts on the new AirTag. Did you get one? What do you think of it? Later. If you lose lots of stuff, get 4 of them for $100. That's $25 each.